Hi, I am Goridika. Welcome to my channel. The topic I will discuss today is river capture. Earlier we have discussed about different types and different parts of river. Today I will discuss about what is river capture, causes of river capture and various evidence of river capture. I hope everyone like my presentation. Those who have not yet subscribed to my channel will please subscribe. River capture. What is river capture? In simple language, we can say a weak river or a less powerful river is consumed by a strong river. Suppose this is the strong river and this is a less powerful river. When this strong river is swallowing this weak river in different ways, this is called river capture. It has several conditions. First one is steep slope. If the slope of the river is steep, then what happened? The velocity of river will increase, and simultaneously the erosional process of the river also increase. Second is narrow valley. Narrow valley is more important for river capture. Third one is rainfall. More rainfall is needed to increase the erosional process of the river. And fourth one is nature of rock. Nature of the rock need to be soft. If there is hard rock, then the rate of erosion of the river will be decreased. So these conditions need for river capture. Now I will talking about causes of river capture. Various causes are present here. First one is headward erosion, second lateral erosion, third intersection of meander, and fourth is tectonic causes. Before we know headward erosion, we will know about lateral erosion. What is lateral erosion? In the mature stage of the erosional cycle of river, when two rivers are flowing parallel and the sedimentary rock between two rivers is slowly eroding due to lateral erosion of these two rivers. After many years, which stream is more powerful? This is the strong river and this is the weak river. Which stream is more powerful and which stream is more volume and discharge of water and relatively steeper channel gradient than the other river? This river consume this river and it's look like this. This process of river capture is called stream abstraction or natural selection. Intersection of meander. In the old stage or late mature stage of erosional cycle of river, because of the development of gentle slope, the meander of river are gradually sharpened due to continuous lateral erosion, and ultimately they intersect each other. And relatively more powerful stream captured the water of the other stream, and this is called river capture due to intersection of meander. And various tectonic causes are also influenced and are also increase the rate of river capture. Headward erosion. Most of the river capture occurs due to headward erosion. In the initial stage of their development, most of the stream and their tributaries are engaged in active headward erosion. When two rivers flowing in opposite direction from a watershed gradually erode headwaters and headward erosion, the river that gets stronger over time consumes over the headwaters of the other river. As a result of river erosion, some of the upstream of the weak river start flowing as a river through the strong channel. We notice that this diagram, this is a strong river, this is river A, and this is a weak river, this is river B. Strong river flowing through steeper slope and channel gradient than this less powerful river, and this is more active than river B. And we also notice that this C and D is the tributary of these two rivers. C is the tributary of river A and D is the tributary of river B. And they take their source on both the slope of the same ridge. This picture we see that the headward erosions by C stream is more active than D. A time comes when C stream cut across the ridge and capture river D. Now the water of upper course of this B river also flows into A stream via C and D tributary, and this is called river capture through headward erosions. If we notice well, we can see that there is some evidence of this river capture process. How we can understand that this is the topography of river capture? There are some evidence like elbow of river capture, wind gap, misfit stream, and water gap. What is water gap? When the water of upper course of this B river flows into the A stream through C and D tributary, and there have a narrow passage through the ridge, and this is called water gap. What is elbow of river capture? This pattern where the B river has become captured by A river, which turn at right angle forming an elbow of river capture. This is elbow like structure, elbow of river capture. What is wind gap? Because of dry bed of the river, this is the dry bed of the river, due to capture of the upper portion of the river, it become a beheaded stream, and the upper part, this gap, is called wind gap, and the stream is now become a misfit stream. I hope everyone can understand today's topic. Thank you for watching.